Welcome to The Green Revolution, Unlocking the Secrets of Plant-Based Diets. In this video, we will explore the benefits of plant-based diets for both our health and the environment. Did you know that adopting a plant-based diet can significantly improve your overall well-being? Not only can it help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, but it can also boost your energy levels and promote healthy weight management. But the benefits don't stop there. By choosing plant-based foods, we can also make a positive impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. By reducing our consumption of animal products and embracing plant-based alternatives, we can help combat climate change and preserve our planet for future generations. So, how can you make the transition to a plant-based diet? It's easier than you might think. First, start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. These plant-based foods are rich in essential nutrients and can provide you with all the protein, vitamins, and minerals your body needs. Next, plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have a variety of delicious and nutritious plant-based options available throughout the week. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and flavors. There are countless plant-based recipes available online that are both tasty and satisfying. From hearty salads to flavorful stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. But don't just take our word for it. We've interviewed individuals who have successfully made the switch to a plant-based lifestyle. They have experienced firsthand the positive changes in their health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Are you inspired to transform your health with a plant-based diet? Click the link in the description below to dive deeper and discover more resources to help you on your journey. Remember, the Green Revolution starts with you. By embracing a plant-based diet, you can unlock the secrets to a healthier you and a healthier planet.